Hello guys. So I just woke up, ate breakfast, had coffee basically. I got a new truck. I didn't make a video on this. I wanted to keep this as a surprise. So surprise, I got a new truck. And we're about to go get another one. And this one is run down, and I'm gonna have to fix a little bit of it. But yeah, I have to go get it. It's on the side of the road somewhere, right about down the road and up it. I might be doing some more videos on YouTube, and if you go check out my TikTok, it will be down there in the description. It'll be there. Just type my name in. It should pop up. And yeah, let's go get this truck that I've been waiting for. Get. Alright. Don't worry about the G or the J on the screen. Let's go get it. If you guys want to stay here, that'll be great, because I need some company. But, anyways, I'm going to be doing some more videos on this account on YouTube. I know I haven't been posting, and I know, like, I'm trying to get a lot more subscribers. So, if you ever come across this video, can you please subscribe to just give me a little bit of help. I want to get to 1,000 so I can go live. I just really want to go live with people. I feel like it'd be more fun. But yeah, I'm tired. I've done some stuff today, and that's it. And then now I'm doing this video for you guys, so you guys are not bored. And I think we should be close. I don't know where it is. So I'm kind of just driving. I just saw it when I was coming back, so I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, it's down this road. Should I speed? Ow, there's really oh, too much. Should be. Oh, there it is. Oh. Alright. I might have to back up. Nobody's gonna know, okay? Nobody's gonna know. I just backed up really good. You know? People have cameras. People are dumb. They don't have cameras. It says it's for sale. So I'm just gonna do this. See what this truck look like. It's really run down. It's lifted. It's not bad. It's lifted and everything. But like the suspension's fine. It's just the rims I'm worried about. The back, I think this tire's flat. But hold on, let me just. Oh, this one's fine. I have no problem. This one, don't even know. It needs a little bit of air. I know that one needs a lot of air, but that's like no problem. I just want to check. That one's rock solid, so let's put it up on the trailer. I think I'm gonna buy it. And before I do, I'm gonna walk to his house. It's pretty close. I think I'm gonna jump. Okay, but there is a place where I can buy it. Oh, it's on the side. Put the money in here and just send it to him. Put it in his mailbox. Buy your truck. Alright, locked in there, and pretty sure nobody's gonna steal it. But let's head our way of getting this thing on it. And catch you when I get this on the trailer. Good on the trailer, and it doesn't do anything really to this truck. Surprisingly, it gives it a little bit, but not much. It was kind of difficult to get it on the trailer. Whoa, it was kind of difficult to get it on the trailer. I don't know why, but I think it was because of the tires. Different tire, what's it called? Air space. Let me get out of that road. But I think we're good, and I think I'm gonna go build it a little bit better. So let's head in the truck. And I gotta go get some diesel. So we're gonna go down this road to the gas station. And see what's gonna happen and stuff. So yeah. Oh, another thing I wanted to tell you, I lost my full account, so since I lost my full account, my friend said I lost my full account if you get this thing. It's like gives you free money, it's like unlimited. I bought that, and then I made this truck, and then I made the truck behind, and I'm going to build it better. That's a real quick. We're gonna get some diesel. Damn! You really put diesel. How? Do I wanna buy $7 a diesel? It's $7 for diesel. I can't really complain because people for gas, it's not that bad. I'll do it. It's fine, but I'll do it. Alright. Ran away. I'm gonna go run to the store and get a monster. I'm a little tired, so. And I gotta pay for it, but see when I get out. I'd drink it halfway out of the store, but I ain't finished it. I think it's done now. Oh, I'm gonna put this in my truck. Okay. I paid the lady, I think. Alright. Got to hop home. Hold on, I'm gonna make this turn here. Barely touched it. Barely touched that. Alright, let's go. One day I'm gonna go try to fix that bridge that isn't there. Just lots of something for sport so people can workers can what's it called? build a bridge there so we can actually travel over it with people. I don't want to take the water so let's take the short way. Sorry about the loud motor. And we're home. And luckily for me, I got shot. I didn't test board this yet. I didn't build it yet. I don't think I'm gonna build it yet, but I think later on can be. So yeah, stay tuned. Ooh, I'll be going to use. Alright. Since now we're home, I think we can take this off the trailer and we'll put it in the shop and let's go see. Well, I think I'm gonna go wreck it some more because there's no point in just fixing it when it's sort of wrecked. Let's just go make it wreck. That's not gonna fuck you. Oh. Let go. I want some like a more or something. Oh, you know what I should do? Go break the tires more. Because I'm gonna go to a fire pit here. Let's see a fire pit. So, see if we can ride this. It doesn't work. It doesn't want to deflect. I want to make this thing a rock crawling build. Come on. If we back up, that's my full throttle, fifth gear, all the way into that. There we go. Yes, so there's something. I'll take a picture. Always gotta take a picture of your truck. They're sitting there like that. I think I wrecked it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. It just crawled over like... Did you see that? It crawled over that like with nothing. Alright, what? 3, 1, 2. Oh no. What? This thing's crazy. I don't think I want to fix it. But I want to make it a daily respawn truck. I think I'm gonna make it a respawn truck. I never had a respawn truck. Let's see what I can do. So I'm gonna kind of go on my phone and see what I can build. So yeah, I think this thing's sick. Wait, what is it? The light bar work. Oh my god, LEDs. Alright, I'm not gonna change the lights. I think that those are gonna stay. But I didn't know I had LEDs. That's crazy. Alright. I'm gonna shut that off. I don't want it on. Alright. I'm gonna go on my phone and see what I can do. Alright, I figured it out. What I want to do. I know what to do and I want to do it, and I'm going to do it, okay? You heard it. Let's do it. Alright. Sorry about the interruption. Let's just... I think I'm gonna keep the wheel and get a bit better tires and maybe bigger ones. I don't know. I just have an idea. Just like do what to do. Just check the oil. Before I do that. So I don't care about this thing getting oil on it. So okay. Alright, doing good. Okay. Oh, okay. Guess I just jumped right now. But I think this thing... Whoa. I think this thing has a good oil. Alright. Alright, fine. I'm gonna bring this thing over there. Yeah. Okay. Let's just open up the oil thing. Alright, it's going right in. It's good. I think I did a good aiming. Yeah, it's doing pretty good, honestly. Alright, we're gonna let that sit. And I think later I'm gonna do some hunting. Hunting's not here yet, so I might be doing some food plots stuff for the deer next video. I might. I'm probably not, but I might. Let's go. On the oil fish, the oil should be out because I opened that and it was like came out fast. So let's just check. I think he's good. How's he doing with it? I think it's good. Sorry about that. I think we should close this. Yeah, we should. And okay, it's closed. Move this out of here. It's so much heavier with oil. So much heavier with oil. Alright. Let's hop in here and stuff. Wait, wrong side. Oh my gosh. It is a tight squeeze. It's a tight squeeze. Alright. Let's hop in. Let's go to the shop. Alright, I'm in the shop. Let's get this stuff cleaned off. The layer should be off. Oh, perfect. Alright. I think that looks better. I think it does. I think, I'll go here. I don't want it on. this thing a daily, but I'm gonna make this thing a dually. I think I'm gonna do like one solid color at the bottom. I think that's better. One solid color on the bottom. There we go. I think that looks better, right? I think it does. I don't know what you. Let's go to this. We're gonna make that up. We're gonna make this a daily, so we need those rims. Don't like the rims. I have to say I hate the rims. There we go. I'll just take it non-do. No. I don't want to do that. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I didn't want him to do that. Okay. The things I already did. Hate this phone because it taps something I don't even want to touch. But didn't want to do that. There we go. One solid color would be green, like I did. And we'll put this as that one. Put this as that one. Put the rims as that one. Put the rims as that one. And I think I don't know what I want to do with the color here. So should I do green? Should I do green? I don't know. Let's see if it's green. I think it looks good with the green. Ow. I think it looks good with the green. I don't know why. That looks even better, but like, I don't know. I have to do some details to it. I have to brainstorm again. I like it like this. I'll do some modifications to the truck and stuff, but I think that's fine. Or should I make it a mud truck would be even better. I don't want to make it to a mud truck. No, daily. Daily all the way. Think of just daily, dummy. Alright. Let's go do this. No, I don't want that. I want that. That looks better. Alright. No, it doesn't. That looks dumb. Hold on. Never mind. Put that back. Put that back where it was. I like when I put the green. No. Always when you put the feed as a metallic. If you're doing a color, if you're doing a chrome, do you. But if you're gonna do a different color, I would do metallic. Shows the color with the shine. We never realized it. Here we go, I think. Cancel out of this. Then go here. Then we're gonna put the. We're gonna move this. Put it right there. Never really use it. Come on. Put it right back up here. Never really use it. Let's just max the rim size. Put it on. I think that's how it is. I think that's how it's gonna go. And let's go test drive it, I guess. No, one thing I do want to do is put some details on this for making it look a little better. You know, just, yeah, one thing I do want to do, one thing I wanted to do, I'm gonna do. There we go. I'm gonna put it as a green. You idiot. Okay. Let's try again. putting all of the decals on and stuff. What? That makes no sense. Yeah, alright. Go back. Go to shapes. Voice crack. Go here. Turn this down to like that, basically. I think that's fine. I feel like the Chevrolet should just be a little bit smaller. Just a little bit smaller. I got on the way. There. And it's good. And then go to stripes. Go here. And go no more of that. Kind of hurry this up so you guys don't get bored. And voila la la. That's what we got. Well, where'd you go? Look at this. Let's do it. Alright, I'm done. And thank you guys for watching. And have a good day.